Practicing criminal defense attorney in Los Angeles, California. Also, a former prosecutor, Josh Ritter, is on the show today. Josh, assess this case for us, if you would, kind of both sides, what's favorable for each side, what's unfavorable, and who do you think has the better case and why, please?
I thought the cross-examination done by the defense of this medical examiner was good. I think it accomplished the purpose that they were set out to with speaking with him and questioning him, and that was to at least put doubt in the jurors' minds as far as the cause of death. Because if the cause of death is an overdose, too many sleeping pills, the biggest point here being is that can be done by accident by the dead person themselves, right? And that doesn't involve the defendant at all. But if it's strangulation or asphyxiation, obviously that has to be done by someone else. So that's a huge point to them. And they tried to drive that home with the medical examiner that he couldn't rule that out, that he could, in other words, he couldn't provide any evidence that strangulation caused this death. The only thing that he had was the overdose. And that's the point they really tried to make. And it was, you could see that they were having a difficult time with it, cross-examining a medical examiner. I've been there myself. It's difficult to get these scientists kind of nailed down to a specific answer. But I think they at least accomplished the point that they were trying to make. And then the prosecution tried to come in and kind of clear it up that, he misunderstood perhaps what some of the reports were telling him. End of the day, though, it really comes down to the only cause of death he can give is that was that overdose of sleeping pills.
Exactly. So did he take it himself or did she give it to him? You're right, Josh. This is a tough one. And when we come back right after this break, we're going to see the dramatic conclusion of that testimony from the medical examiner. Don't go away.